Hi friends, I'm Error Slayer. Today I'll show you how to add a clickable checkbox in Microsoft Word. If you are ready, let's get started. First, click on the File tab above. Click on Options at the bottom left. Click on the Customize Ribbon tab in the window that opens. Now find Developer on the right and activate Developer by checking the box next to it. Then click OK. As you can see, the Developer tab has been added above. Now open the Developer tab by clicking on it. First, click on the line you want to add the checkmark to and then click on the checkmark icon above. As you can see, the checkbox has been added, but it is still not what we wanted. We don't want the bounding box, so we'll remove it first. Select the checkbox by holding it with the right or left mouse button and click on the properties above. Click on the bounding box and change it to none. Then click OK. As you can see, the inside of the box is marked with an X. We want this to be a check mark. Let's change that too. First, click on the checkbox and then on the properties above. Click on the Change button next to the checked symbol text. In this window, you should select Wingdings from the Font section. Then select the checkmark symbol and click OK. Let's test it. As you can see, it works successfully. I hope you found how to add a clickable checkbox in Microsoft Word tutorial helpful. If so, don't forget to subscribe to the Error Slayer YouTube channel and like the video. Have a good day.